Have you ever picked up a traditional folded backsaw and wondered why the blade isn't appearing straight or why the saw isn't tracking right? In today's video, we're going to go over retensioning your folded backsaw. Retensioning is the process of stiffening an out-of-shape tooth line by equalizing the clamping tension on both ends of the sawback. The folded back serves as a safety feature for your saw, allowing the plate to shift inside of the sawback instead of risking damage if an inexperienced sawing technique is used. Other factors as to why your saw may have come out of tension include things like the saw could have been dropped or it was used to saw through thick stock in which the plate created a heat warp. For retensioning your saw, you'll want to use a mallet with a wooden or synthetic spud so that you don't damage your sawback. Hold the saw upright on a jointed flat surface. Using your thumb and forefinger, firmly hold underneath the sawback so that you can feel the adjustments being made as we tap the back. Keep in mind, this should only shift the back by about 1/32 at a time. After you've tapped both ends of the sawback, sight down the tooth line to see if that resolves the problem. If needed, repeat the process. One thing to be aware of is bottoming out the saw plate inside of the sawback, otherwise it won't be doing its intended purpose. If this has happened to you, no worries, we'll be covering that in our next video. Stay tuned and happy woodworking!